Hi, I'm Nick Schoner. I'm from Saline, Michigan. This is a review of Paul Davis Restoration out of Ann Arbor. I had a water line break on my house, and it ran for probably 14 hours, and there was over $100,000 damage, and the Paul Davis company was just extraordinary as far as taking control of the situation. They were prompt. They came out right away. They had an army of people that eventually showed up, and the superintendent for the company, Ron Barris, was great to work with. Anything he said, you could take to the bank. The company was prompt. They had good quality work. They had great employees. They did a wonderful job, and I highly recommend them. If you ever want to, if you ever heaven forbid this has ever happened to you, but if you have to have a restoration on your house, I will definitely call them again.